Welcome to Analyze It. In this video, we are going to see how to create barcodes from a list of customers in Excel. First, what is a barcode? A barcode consisting of bars and spaces is a machine-readable representation of numerals and characters. Why barcode is important? Barcodes provide a method to track and store information about goods from individual items to large stocks of thousands or even millions of items. For example, if you have a unique ID for each customer, you can generate a barcode to place it either on an ID card or on your list of beneficiaries. There are basically 6 types of barcode, each of them with their different characteristics. But in this video, we'll be focusing on the code 39, which allows you to include 43 characters, including numbers, letters, or some symbols. Let's see how to do that in Excel. So now I am in Excel, and as you can see, I have a beneficiary list where I have the name of my beneficiary, the sex, address, and date of birth, and I also have set an ID system. And from this ID system, I want to create a barcode for each of my beneficiaries. First thing that you need to know, and I will recommend you, is to have your ID system and the format of your ID system in Excel should be as a text. I would not recommend you to set it as a general or a number. It's better to set it as a text because often an ID system will start by 00, and if you don't set it as a text, it will not take the zero at the beginning of your ID. So this is the first thing that you need to know when you're setting an ID system. And to generate a barcode in Excel, you need to have in your font a barcode font. And I'm pretty sure it's not automatically installed in your Excel, but you can find a bunch of free website where you can download barcode font. And one of them that I'm using is called 100.01, and you can find a bunch of font, and one of them is the ID automation code 39. You will have to download it. I will plug the URL for you in the comment section in this video, so you can download the barcode font in your Excel. So this is a thing, but this is one of the URL or website that I'm using, but I'm pretty sure you can find a different one. So the second thing that or let's say the thing that you need to do for the barcode is using the ID. So now we're gonna start typing some formula, and the formula will start as usual by equal sign, and we want to put this ID number in parentheses automatically. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna type a formula, and we will type double quote, open parenthesis, double quote, and and sign, and we make reference to the cells where the ID is. So in that case is E2. Okay, and then we put and sign, we close it by the and sign, double quote, close parenthesis, and double quote. And when we enter this, it will put the number of my ID in parentheses. So, and the next thing that we need to do is to basically put this, because it's still in a general, I'm going to now call my ID font. So my ID font is, I think is ID. It's ID Automations HC39. This is the one that I download in the free website, and then I click enter, and it will automatically generate the barcode for me. Here we go. So you see, it repeats the same number. So this is a repeated representation, the bar and the space is representation of my ID. And to continue for the rest, I will just drag. Here you go. So you can see it has created a barcode related to each of my ID. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful for your work. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be informed when I'm releasing new video around Excel, Power BI, Python, data science, and data analysis. Take care.